We're gonna get a snack. And then where are we going? We're gonna go to the park? Yeah. Huh? The park? The big playground. Okay. You ready to go?
Yay.
Say bye, Livy Lane.
Bye.
First things first, we need to get a snack. What are we gonna get?
I don't know.
Should we get lizards?
Yeah.
No. Crazy. All right, let's go find out what we want for a snack. Okay, let's go. Show me what you want. Do you know what that is? What is it?
I don't know.
You want to get that? Okay.
And then.
Yeah. Let's go. Go face. Is that what you want for a snack? See? Is that what you want? You ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the park. Go watch Hunter's game. Okay, let's go.
Mom.
Nope, watch the march.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, that was you.
Little outside, but swing. Watch the ball, Hunter. Go!
Right.
Go! Hunter, don't look at the ball. Run it fast.
Run hard, Hunter. Awesome.
Okay, here it comes.
Hi. What are you doing? What? You eating goldfish? You are? You want me to get you? Boo! Boo! Peekaboo! What are you doing?
Nice swing. A little bit behind it, though. Okay, watch the ball.
I found it.
All right.
Run!
Come on, Hunter, dig it! Right. Whoa! What you got?
Oh my gosh, that Dan Raymond
Yeah.
used to do
How
that.
many?
Grease his towel.
Eve, how many?
You weren't paying attention.
Yeah.
to it.
A lot.
Huh?
Okay, say cheese.
That cool jump start.
Say cheese again. Say hi, Navy Jane. Are you ready to go for a boat ride? Go for a boat ride. Say hi.
Oh, see them on? See them all? Holy smokes. Shotgun, you have yourself a hell of a dinner.
Hi, Abe. Are you on a boat ride?
I heard there's gonna be a wedding here. No, coming up. They're getting it ready. Half an hour. Now they got a long ways to go painting that. They just started the ends.
Good, Eve?
Oh, I should really paint that too.
That's really sweet.
You
Hold
done?
on.
Who is it? I can choose by that thing.
Okay.
You know exactly.
You want to?
Don't you?
No?
You hide it?
You have to leave it on. See, Froggy.
All small town.
Daddy, I didn't see.
Can you see past my big head? That better?
She acts like she's seasick.
Really?
Splash Daddy! Splash Daddy! I'll give you $10. I hope she was gonna too. Oh, get right in the middle of that.
Give one bite at a time.
They were one on like a bar.
Huh?
Then all of a sudden, I don't know.
going to Albany at some point.
Yeah, ready? Go to. Ready? Put your hands up. Touch the top. Touch it. Can we touch it? Reach. Touch it.
You almost got it. One day we're gonna be tall enough to reach it.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun? What is it? Hi.
We're gonna get out just a minute.
What is it? What is it?
All right.
Say bye, Dada. Did you have fun tonight? Where did we go?
I'm going to be shop.
You didn't have fun? Why?
I need to my teeth.
Okay, how about we put our gum back in our mouth, okay? Libby, did you have fun? You Seepy. Do you want to go again sometime? Ave, put your gum back in your mouth, honey.